Dear Madison, the weekend is coming and I'm thinking of spending some quiet time alone. Being out here helps me see things more clearly. I can't say I miss city life. Your brother, on the other hand, I think that you and the family need to think of something else as far as his occupation. He quite realistically could never amount to anything. Sometimes I wonder if he is learning disabled.
Lab coat?
Or has a bad disease.
There's birds in here. What?
Not that I dislike him or anything.
You're the worst person in the world!
He's totally fine.